Hi friends, this video is about the review of Biotique Bio Almond Oil Makeup Cleanser. It is really very hard to find a natural cleanser without any chemicals in the market. The Biotique products are made for the natural beauty lovers. So using this product you can cleanse your face without any harmful chemicals. It comes in a 120 ml bottle. It is made up of almonds, neem, safflower oil, sesame and other essential oils, which dissolves heavy makeup easily. It is made up of almonds which are rich in vitamin E and also antioxidants. So using this regularly gives your skin a smooth and silky feel. It is really easy to use this product. Gently wipe your face and eye area using a cotton pad or a washcloth. It is good in removing waterproof makeups, also lipsticks which are hard to remove. Going to the negative part, it is little bit oily. Also, if you are using fake eyelash, you should be concerned about this product. Going to plus, it is non-alcoholic and paraben free, so it is one of the best natural product available in the market. According to me, this product is not best for oil skin, but you can use it in winter season. For better result, go for a face wash after applying this cleanser. So it has both plus and minus area, but one thing is it is a natural product, so you can go for it if you are a natural beauty lover. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching this video.